This packet is Malibu Blondes, and it's made by the company called Malibu C. They make a lot of different crystal treatments, and they come in these single-use packets, and they're roughly about $4 a piece. They have one for any type of hair problem you could have. But the one we're talking about today is Malibu Blondes, and it's going to be for blonde hair or lighter shades of hair. So it doesn't have to be a straight blonde canvas. You can use this with highlights or even gray hair if it's looking a little dull or flat. This is not going to lighten your hair or deposit any sort of tone. It's not a toner, and it's not a purple shampoo. It's also not a conditioning treatment. You're gonna need to follow up with a conditioner because it leaves the hair a little squeaky is the only thing I can think of because it's a chelating product. That is not a natural word for me. It looks like chelating, too fancy. A chelating product like this one removes mineral buildup. Well, mineral and metal buildup. Think of copper from the pipes, well water, pool water, chlorine, iron, and just hard water in general. Break out the Bob Ross. Here's my hair strand. Outer layer, this is the cuticle. This middle layer, medulla, middle medulla. This red part here, the inside, cortex. Minerals will bind onto the hair shaft and inside the hair shaft, inside the cortex. Let's say we go swimming 1,000 times. Over time, hard water, minerals, chlorine, whatever you're doing, well water, these tiny minerals will sit on top of the hair shaft, and they will also start to form inside or seep inside. And they love to sit on damaged hair. So they'll just go right in here. There's lots of room for them to spread around. Mineral buildup can cause hair to be very flat or dull. For blondes, it's very muddy, murky, mushroom-like, just a very flat, bland color. If you have a mineral buildup like this, it also makes it really hard for purple shampoos to work and for toners to work evenly. And the buildup is not something we can physically see with our naked eye. You can kind of feel it. It makes the hair feel heavy, kind of straw-like, but it's just something that happens over time slowly. So a chelating product like this one helps remove this mineral buildup. We apply the treatment and it takes away all of this mineral buildup. It does add shine. It has vitamin C in it and B5. It's just removing this buildup. So it's not lightening, it's not toning, it's not changing your hair color. Your hair is going to look brighter because it doesn't have the buildup dulling it down. So basically this acts like a magnet, attracting the metals and pulling them out, rinsing it down the drain when you wash it out with water. To use this, it needs to go on clean, freshly shampooed hair. No conditioner, you would just do this in the shower. Once it's shampooed, and you don't have to use any type of shampoo, like a clarifying shampoo, you can just use your regular shampoo, and you don't want to brush it out. There's no conditioner, so it's going to create damage, knots, and tangles. Just squeeze out the water, and the little crystals will look like this. It's just a really fine white powder. Their directions say just to add water to this in your palm. It'll create a paste like this, and to scrunch it in your hair. I like to do it in a bowl because I feel like I waste it, well, like that. I feel like I waste it all over the shower. You don't need to wear gloves or anything. It's safe for your hands. And actually, I'm just now remembering this. In beauty school, which was, oh wow, that's been 18 years ago. In beauty school, 18 years ago, a Malibu C rep came in to show us how to use this, and she actually ate the product. It's vegan. It'll have this jelly-like consistency. I prefer just to do it that way and rub it in, but the directions do say to scrunch it in. And you wanna focus on the ends first because that's gonna be the part of your hair that has the most buildup. It's the oldest, most porous. The roots are newer, so they're healthier. And I'm gonna really focus on this area because I have a lot of yellow hues to this. And again, this is not going to lighten it. It's just gonna brighten it, take out some of that mineral buildup, which a shower filter helps a lot. I haven't been able to find one that I can recommend. The last one I bought, I hated. It had some sort of rocks or something in it. I don't know, it seemed like a gimmick. It got a lot of that, it's a type of mold maybe. I had an old humidifier that used to get that pink, and according to a lady I met at Kroger, we were buying water, she was telling me about her husband's CPAP machine also gets that pink film of whatever that is. I'll be deep diving on that tonight. All that to say the rock shower head did that. They got a lot of that pink mildew stuff and didn't seem to really help my hair or my skin. So if anybody has a shower head you can recommend, leave that below. So once you concentrate it on the ends, then you can go up and kind of move this around to the scalp. It's safe to get on the root. It's not going to lighten it in any sort of way. And we're gonna leave this just like this for 5 minutes. You don't wanna brush through this or really just touch it. You're just leaving it, shave your legs, or don't, it's cold outside. Just sit there for 5 minutes. Anybody have one of those shower radios, Bluetooth speakers in the shower? I was thinking about getting one of those to listen to audiobooks. Exciting, I know. If you're planning on doing any sort of treatment or even toning, coloring, you would do this product first. It's gonna remove the buildup so that way when you put the toner on, it's even and it's not splotchy. Or even if you're just doing something simple like doing a purple-based shampoo, you would wanna do this first. I'm just gonna rinse mine and follow up with a conditioner. You'll need to put something hydrating back on this. In this, it leaves the hair so clean, squeaky-like. You need something other than the very little B5 it has in there to add in moisture. You are doing a lot to the hair just with this. So make sure you follow up with some sort of conditioning treatment or conditioner at the very least. Here it is after it's dry. Now it's not gonna be a dramatic change because remember there's no lightening, there's no depositing. It's just targeting the mineral buildup to remove some of the dullness, flatness, and it has a few ingredients that will add shine back in. But if you wanted more of a dramatic after, you could add purple shampoo. Shampoo your hair, apply this product 5 minutes, rinse it out, shampoo again with purple shampoo, and then condition. Let's look at the back. Malibu C says you can use this product once a week. I use it about once a month. Oh, I don't have the one I use the most. I like the scalp treatment. It's the same crystal, add water. You put it directly on your scalp and it eats away all the product buildup, dandruff, oil, and it makes your scalp feel clean. So that's it. If you have any questions, comments, likes, dislikes, make sure to leave them below and I will see you next Friday.